Good morning, guys. I'm gonna go eat some rolled oats, and then I'm gonna pack up all my things, and then I'm gonna walk to the train station and hopefully find my bicycle. I'm tired of this shit. Mike and Kiki sent me a message this night. It's not about anything important. They were just asking if we had eaten all the chips. Like, they're just thinking of hedonistic pleasure, man. They don't care. Well, I don't care either now. When they reach out to me like, "Hey, where are you? Whoa, where's the bicycle?" I'm just gonna say, "Oh yeah, don't worry about it. I'll see you guys in like 3 days, right?" Idiots. Alright, so basically a little update. Les is such an amazing guy. He gave me a bit more money. He gave me another 100. I don't know. He said he might even give me some more later, I think. But yeah, so I basically decided, because I was like, dude, I'm getting tired of Mike's shit. Like, I want to get out of here. And he's like, oh, but shit, I want to say thank you first before you go. And so yeah, I just figured, let me just clean up his kitchen. He needed that as well. So yeah, I just fixed it up, and he's gonna be back later. He said Mike and Kiki's gonna be back in a few hours as well. Might as well just talk it out with them, figure out what the fuck's gonna happen. I mean, I'm gonna be leaving. I don't know what they're gonna be doing, but I'm not sleeping here tonight. I need to move on. But yeah, I'm having myself some multi-fruit juice right now. Ice cold. It's nice. Nice. So yeah, just cleaning up the living room a little bit. I already cleaned that up before, but just a bit of sweeping, making it look nice, sorting things out on shelves and stuff. Um, yeah, I'm just waiting around for now, but I'm gonna be leaving today. Mark my words. Let's say Mike comes home with a fistful of dollars somehow. Okay, I'll be a little more large then. Otherwise, it's like I need to go out there and make some money. Like the money I got from Les, and I gotta spend the 200 he gave me the other day on data. I ran out of data. I'm just sitting here tied to the Wi-Fi, and the 100, I don't know, probably tobacco. Yeah, I know it's not really the smartest thing to be spending your last money on, but it does a lot for me. Being as stressed out as I get from being around people and having to be social and deal with all this bullshit. Are people as annoyed by me as I am of them? Oh my god. Am I insufferable at times? I sure hope not. I try not to be. I made a rye bread with butter and then thinly cut, pre-cut spejepølse that you buy in these packages. It's like this. It just comes pre-sliced. I don't really prefer it. That's why I bought those other spejepølse before that you cut yourself. So I can cut them super thick. And then ramulel on there, amazing sauce or dressing, whatever. And then roasted onions on top, crispy onions. Let's go. And then I'm drinking multi juice. I was giving Mike a bit of a chance today. Him and Kiki told me they'd be back by 3 o'clock today. 3 o'clock came around and went, and then I asked them when they're going to be around, and then they said tomorrow, and I'm like, yeah, fuck that. I'm coming to Nybo, I'm getting the bicycle, so I'm going to have to walk the 10 kilometers, so I'm packing down all my stuff now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go my own way after this. Like, if Mike wants to come camp with me, he can, but he's gonna have to follow me. I've been following him for 2 months, and I don't really like where it's leading, honestly. So yeah, I'm just packing down now. I think I'm gonna eat something before I leave here. Kiki's little sister made an amazing meal. Some traditional Danish food. It's flæskesvær. It's like pig's meat. It's really crunchy, but it's still warm, so you can't quite hear the crunch. I didn't make it all the way crunchy. I want a bit of chew in there as well. And then we got parsley sauce on boiled potatoes. And a bit of Coke. at how beautiful the view is. Just look at that, and the moon. The moon's making me feel like I'm on some kind of an alien planet today. Look at that. It's crazy. Looks like another planet or something, but it is the moon. I'm just packing down slowly. I haven't really gotten that far. I think I'm just gonna be walking at night. I mean, it's gonna be dark regardless when I walk, so it's not really gonna make much of a difference when I do. So yeah, I'm just taking it slow, making sure I get everything. Even though Mike and Kiki's got some of my cables and chargers kind of crippling me, but what can you do? Dealing with children, man. Alright, here we are. I'm all packed down. That's where the tent was. My backpack's not here anymore. That's the other's tent. It was nice, but far too long of a stay. I just wanted to, help Lasse out and then move on. But we ended up staying for, 8-9 days? A little too much for me. But yeah, now I'm moving on. Just in a little bit. Smoking the last cigarette, talking to Stony before I have to walk for like 2.5 hours with no internet in the dark. Oh my god, it's gonna suck. But at least I have light to warn people. I made it to Slagelse. I think I got like 2.5 kilometers left or something. I've walked basically 8 kilometers by now. I'm getting closer, but damn, my feet are getting pretty messed up, and it sure is heavy. Ah, shit. But I'm finding a bit of pent. There's another can right there. Let's go. I just took a little break. I'm standing right here. I just had to get the sand out of my socks and my shoes. It was just eating up my soles, and yeah, I got it fixed. Had a bit of water. Let's keep going. Not far now. Oh yeah, I'm just listening to some Professor Viral. I like his videos. I used to listen to those going for night walks in Portugal. So yeah, it's something I really enjoy listening to when I walk at night. Perfect. I'm just smoking a cigarette. In this shed I found, no smoking, of course. It just started raining. Ah, shit, man. It's exhausting with all this weight. But the train station's just 100 meters in front of me. I'll be right there. Then I can sit down. Hey guys. I'm just sitting here on the train station now. That's the 2 bottles I found. Oh my god, my feet are killing me. I'm tired. I just want to pick up the bicycle and go sleep. Hungry. I'm just sitting here listening to some different rap on the JBL speaker. My train's gonna be here in like 7-8 minutes. Let's go. What do you think of this ankle? I don't know, I always had a thing for ankles where you can't see the ice. Oh fuck, guys. I don't know what just happened. I just got super unlucky all at once. I'm limping right now over to the light. Oh fuck. I'm at Kassur station right now. Oh fuck. The next stop after Slagelse. My legs, they're so sore after all that walking with all that weight. And I was just sitting there, the doors opened at Kassur station. I was just kind of sitting there drifting out of it, and my phone fell out of my pocket. It slid out of my pocket basically when the door opened. And so I just took my backpack and left the train. And then when I reached down to get the phone just over there, you know, it just fell down right at the white edge there. Oh my god. I just put the pressure on the wrong part of my knee. Oh fuck. I was just completely out for like 2 minutes, just numb, like just. Oh shit. Oh, what did I do to myself? Okay, I can walk a little better now, but damn. And I gotta wait here for an hour now. That's brutal, right? Maybe even more. Yeah. Fuck. I think it's half an hour only. Okay. It'll be fine. Okay. Let's hope that's all the unluck for today. Oh my god. I just want to set up my tent and sleep at this point. Whew. Rest in peace, kitty. Thanks for all the pets. Rhett Allen was his name. I didn't know. Man, it is pouring down. Look at this. Yeah. I looked at the forecast. Looks like it's gonna be like that for the next 4 hours. And my shoes are too busted to walk in weather like that. It's just gonna soak up the water immediately. So what can I do? Guess I just gotta sit here and talk to Stony. I bought internet. I bought tobacco. Now I have like 12.5 krona left. 2 cans. 14.5. Almost enough for a milk for breakfast. Oh my god, it's 6:30. And I'm walking all, my legs are fucked. I'm all exhausted. I'm carrying like a lot of weight here. Okay, check it out, guys. It's raining so much and I'm so wet. I don't want to set up my tent, so I'm just gonna sleep on the hardwood in here. Locked my bike up, got all my stuff in here. I gotta close it up because it's dripping down. I had to put these here. So yeah, I'm closing it up now. Then I'm gonna enter from over here, I think. Huh? Yep. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's very nice. Oh yeah. This is gonna be cozy. Let me get some light up in here. And close the door again. And there we go. Oh, you can even lock it from the inside. It's pretty convenient. Bam, there we go. We are in privacy now. Time to get this wet stuff off. My shoes are wet too. Oh my god, I'm so exhausted, so tired. I'm just gonna lie down, smoke, and go to sleep, man. I'm just done. I thought I was gonna make tea, but I'm not. I just checked by the Loud Friend's apartment, you know, where Mike is, and just left my charger that they needed to charge a battery. And I'm just coming back there tomorrow to drink some of their milk, and then I'm gonna go out and collect some bottles. Yeah. I just had some rolled oats with milk and sugar over there. So I'm doing okay right now. Just gotta smoke and sleep. Good night, guys. Oh yeah, by the way, the shelter front door and the side door, they're both locked, so I'm feeling completely safe in here. I mean, I still do in my tent. But yeah, no one's gonna be stealing anything tonight.